Time is almost up if you haven't filed your tax return yet. The IRS and state filing deadline was extended from April 15th to July 15th because of the coronavirus. Beth Ward joins us live from her home to break it down. And Beth, it seems strange to be talking about tax deadlines in the middle of summer.
Oh, yeah, it sure does, Jordan. But here we are at the state and federal level. Well, they gave us all extra time to file those taxes, and it appears that many people are taking advantage of that extra time, even if they're getting a tax return. So we decided to check in with a local tax preparer who says that you do still have a little more time. The deadline is Wednesday, but you better get busy.
Let's just get right down to it. It's 48 hours from now is the middle of the 15th.
The clock is ticking if you haven't filed your taxes, and if you are still procrastinating, you're not alone.
With the extension date to July 15th, we thought it would allow people to have time to get their information in a little more timely manner, but it seems like we're still having the April 1st, April 15th people are now July 1st to July 15th.
Paul Federici, tax preparer with Burgess Schultz and Rob in East Long Meadow, says during this time, for many, taxes aren't exactly top of mind.
I think it's the fact that everybody got a reprieve, so everybody took advantage of the reprieve because they had more important things to think about, like their jobs or their security and things, so they weren't really thinking about taxes.
Even clients getting money back, he says, are filing extensions.
My extension people are basically all refunds, so it's just a question of getting it done.
He says even though it's July, the same rules in April still apply. If you owe, you still need to pay, even if you file an extension. However, payment plans can be made. If you're filing the old-fashioned way through the mail, the IRS says expect some big delays. It's first come, first serve. Filing electronically?
The state's been really quick. It states like 2-3 weeks at the most, and the IRS has been say 3 to 5 weeks, something like that.
The IRS says the average refund so far is about $2,800. Also, the new filing date is designated as disaster related. Now, that means the IRS is required to pay interest on your refund dating back to April 15th, as long as you file by Wednesday's deadline.
Well, keep in mind that the extension deadline is October 15th. You still have to file and let them know that you are indeed filing for an extension. You still have to pay. Also, another big question that people are asking are about those economic stimulus checks. If you did receive payment, the good news is the IRS says you do not have to pay income tax on those. Reporting live from home, Beth Ward, Western Mass News.